Hello there, my name is Dominic and today I have the Tecno Camon 12 and the Tecno Camon 12 Air smartphones for a quick comparison. First of all, despite the differences in sizes of these two boxes, everything inside these boxes is exactly the same. And you can check out my unboxing videos of both smartphones. I have the video linked in the description below, and everything is exactly the same, from the tempered glass to the phone case. Now, this is the phone case that I'm talking about. The phone case on the Tecno Camon 12 has a Manchester City branded logo at the bottom, which is exactly the same as the Tecno Camon 12 Air phone case. Even the rough texture is exactly the same. The triple camera is also available on the Tecno Camon 12. So the Tecno Camon 12 Air is on the left and the Tecno Camon 12 is on the right. The first noticeable difference is the front camera. On the Tecno Camon 12 Air, it's a dot-in screen camera, and the Tecno Camon 12 is a notch display. The other difference is that this is an 8 megapixel camera and this is a 16 megapixel camera. So the other difference you will notice is the front flash, and I will demonstrate this using the flashlight, and I will turn on the front flashlight of the Tecno Camon 12. So the Tecno Camon 12 has dual flashlights at the front, which is what Tecno calls an air gap flashlight. The Tecno Camon 12 Air does not have this. In fact, it doesn't have any flashlight at all. If we open the front camera, the closest to the front flash we will get is this. Let me enable the flash and let's take a picture. So the front flash on the Tecno Camon 12 Air is an inbuilt display. It simply lights up the screen to white, and that is what gives you the front flash. So it's actually impossible to take videos using the front camera in dark environments using the Tecno Camon 12 Air. So let's get into the settings and work our way down to About Phone in the system. In the system is where most of the differences are clearly highlighted. The Tecno Camon 12 Air has 3 GB RAM, while the Camon 12 has 4 GB RAM. The Camon 12 Air has 32 GB storage, while the Tecno Camon 12 has 64 GB storage. I have already highlighted the front camera. Camon 12 Air has 8 megapixel, while the Camon 12 has 16 megapixel. Now there's another difference, and that is in the rear cameras. Both devices have triple cameras. The Camon 12 has 16 plus 2 plus 8, but the Camon 12 Air has 16 plus 2 plus 5. The 5 megapixel lens is for taking wide angle photography as well as for macro photography. Both of these two devices have the same resolution, and that is 720 by 1600. Both run on Android P and both have 4000 mAh battery capacity. The other big difference in the two devices is the speed. The Camon 12 has a 2 GHz octa-core processor, while the Camon 12 Air has a 2 GHz quad-core processor. Now, let us take a look at the user interface. As you can tell, the user interface is exactly the same. I have even made the two wallpapers to be similar. I don't seem to have the clock over here. Let me just drag it. Sorry. There we go. So the user interface on these two phones is exactly the same. Everything from the smart panel over here is exactly the same. Let me enable the smart panel on the Camon 12 very quickly. There it is. Now you can customize this smart panel to do whatever you want, and I have highlighted that in my Camon 12 review. The article is in the video description too. So the user interface is exactly the same on these two devices. Let's take our attention back to the screen. So if you look at these two devices, which one do you think has the bigger screen? Is it the Camon 12 or the Camon 12 Air? Well, the answer is the Camon 12 Air, because this has a 6.55-inch screen with a dot-in display camera, while the Camon 12 has a 6.52-inch screen with a dot-notch screen at the top. The difference in price between these two devices is also very big. The Tecno Camon 12 Air is cheaper than the Tecno Camon 12. This Camon 12 has 64 GB storage and 4 GB RAM, and the approximate price of this device is $160 US. The Camon 12 Air with its 32 GB storage and 3 GB ROM only goes for around $134 US. There is another version of the Camon 12 that has 64 GB storage and 6 GB RAM. This one goes for around $200 US. The Camon 12 Air and the Camon 12 are also 4G devices. Here is a snippet from the boxes. So that's it. Those are the major differences and similarities between the Tecno Camon 12 and Camon 12 Air. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.